This is... I have to hold this up.
Good morning, driven competitors.
Jeez, holy, it's a blizzard out here. Sheesh. Wow, it's beginning to look a lot like...
You all are fucked.
I don't even. Seriously though, first snowfall, everyone in this city forgets how to drive. Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Oh, look at that beauty. Okay. Oh my, almost slipped. I'm just getting the winter tires from my brother. He got me to store it here for basically all of summer, so just doing him a favor. Holy, it's cold. They're Sean. Damn, that's a new winter ride. Alright, we're done here. To give you guys a little bit of context, this vlog you're about to watch is actually a lost vlog. So it was filmed, slightly forgotten, but specifically it was uploaded to an external hard drive that was replaced right after this trip. And this is why if any of you guys out there do plan on becoming YouTubers, just edit your shit right away. Just get them videos edited ASAP. I respect those guys out there who actually do this for a living and can get their stuff out. Like, little side note, sorry I haven't been uploading as much as I promised. Right now I've just been super busy catching up with my art commissions. And if you're curious to see any of them actually, they're all uploaded onto my DeviantArt. All the links that you guys can check out are in the description. This is one of the ones I've currently been working on. Finished actually. You can check more out at projectrocket.shop. So it's like a full team drawing of you and your favorite Pokemon. But obviously that's not all I get commissioned for. If you head on to the website, you can see that I actually do tattoo commissions as well. So anything from cartooning to, you can virtually get me to draw anything. And I mean anything. I don't even know if I can show this to you guys right now. So that was a hentai commission from a person from the Calgary Fan Expo that recently just happened. Like I said guys, the vlog you're about to see is a lost vlog. So it happened ages ago, but I actually think this might be the first time that the ILLIMINATE crew ever came to Canada. And it was solely to attend this JDM car event, the Driven Car Show that happened in Toronto. So a little behind the scenes for you guys. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Alright. Yo man, this Chinese OG-san listens to Finnish heavy metal music. That's so awesome. Yo, have a good one, man. Alright, let's head in, check in, and head to the gate. Dude, you ready? Yo, he turns around, he's like, I brought my Switch, we can have a rematch on the plane. Plus, Shane was supposed to come with us, but last minute, just backed out. But for job reasons, so it's understandable. Did I make it? No! Benefits of coming late. Our seats were actually supposed to be way back there, but they moved us up because there's actually a lot of empty seats here. Let's see what movies we've got. Yeah, so about 4 to 5 hour flight to Toronto, and our friend John is gonna be picking us up in an SUV, so see you guys when we land. Ciao people! Guys, we made it! And our friend John's come to pick us up and rescue us and bring us to our favorite place. Dude, honestly, if we had a Jollibee's in Calgary, I'd probably be going there on a regular basis. Actually, we are there's one Jollibee's that's gonna be opening up in Calgary soon. So yeah, anyways, today, really just chill out because the event doesn't happen until Saturday, which is in 2 days. We still have to wait for Derpy to arrive. ILLIMINATE gang is actually going to be coming, but I don't know who on their side is going to be coming. I'm just assuming it's going to be like people who don't really have a day job. But yeah, today, go grab some grub and chillax. Enjoy Toronto for what it is. Sounds nice. Oh, how are you? stepped on the Yeezys. Damn. Huge backyard too. Oh my gosh. All right. Goots, what was it? Bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gootu. We didn't need this place. Holy crap, dog. This is way big.
Sleep over here.
Seriously, you guys are more than welcome.
I live like 15 minutes later.
Holy shit, Gootu. Actually, apparently the one that we're getting tomorrow is even...
Well, I mean, technically we do need the whole house because...
Technically that one's way bigger, but this is nice.
This is good working space. Wow. Look how bougie this washroom is. Alright guys. This is where we're gonna be sleeping for the night. Jurassic Park. It's basically a huge television feed of the games happening inside the arena. Yeah, it explains all the cops. As you can see, me and Gutu made ourselves comfortable. We're gonna watch some Attack on Titan, catch up on some anime, and relax a little bit. Tomorrow, Derpy comes by, so save it for another vlog. See you guys. Yoo-hoo! Guys, welcome to the second day in Toronto. We've reunited with Mr. Simon. He's like literally back from like 2 trips before this. He was in Japan, he was in Hawaii, and now he's in Toronto. Never ending, man. I'm gonna take you guys on a small tour. This is our second Airbnb, but I think ILLIMINATE's gonna be staying with us here. We get this entire place to ourselves. Ooh, all I see is a green room. I really like this color for a washroom. Another room. Oh, this is a nice washroom. Oh, this is the master, I think. Arrow, get out of my washroom. Dudes, we'll see you in a bit. See you in a bit. Have fun, work hard. Okay, we're gonna go pick up ILLIMINATEs, but first, we're gonna go to Walmart to pick up some supplies. We're gonna make him a sign. This camera is so good at night. It's not bad. This is John's car. Haven't seen it in a couple years. How do you like your new car, sir?
It's good, you know. You feel like you can take on anybody on the road.
You have priority. Everyone makes
scared of you.
Yeah, everyone makes way for you. So, dude, we got the supplies, but those kids came early, so I gotta do this. Head east. Bro, I lived in Toronto Pearson Airport for 2 days. I played terminal. So extra? That's
Hold this up.
It's okay. From behind. What's up?
Dude, we were over there the entire time.
Thomas.
Good, how are you?
How long have you been here? Really? Bro, we came out. No way.
Wait, the car.
Dude, good seeing you. We almost got sent back to the US, bro. You got in trouble for vlogging at customs.
No cameras.
So we were betting on which one was gonna fuck up.
Where are we headed to right now?
ILLIMINATE boys picked up.
Those guys are assholes.
Those guys almost got kicked out.
That would have been content right there.
Yeah, I guess so. This is gonna be like the first time I've been in the back of an FRS in like 3 years. I've never. Oh, what? Why? Give me my cheeseburger. Give me cheeseburger. Those guys are in the rental truck from Tennessee. But yeah, we're just gonna head back to the Airbnb real quick and go from there. Let's go eat, baby. Hey, picked up the Eliminate boys, and we're gonna go grab grub before the place closes.
That's what you guys call it here too? Go grab grub?
That's what I say. Let's go grab grubs.
I thought it was a Canadian.
I'm hopping in, bro. What? You got...
You quite some time.
Yeah. Guys, morning. It's the day of Driven show, and it's very early right now. I doubt everyone got their rest because people were still up like 2 hours ago. But let's go wake people up. Just been hearing this alarm for the past 20-30 minutes, and the person's still not up. Nope. Yeah, it's Eliminate boys passed out, bro. This is my breakfast. 2-day-old cheesecake. Nom, 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 nom. I think these fellas are just getting up, but I'm going back to bed. Give me like 30 minutes, okay? We're awake, my dudes. 30 more minutes. Fellas, morning. We're gonna go to the Driven event now, heading down to the Toronto Congress Center. John's actually showing his car at our booth, so you gotta pretty it up.
Dude, this is worse than Japan.
Welcome to Canada. Cars behind you are like red. They're all red. Got JJ's infamous GTR R35. You guys saw this last week at Driven Calgary. I think Toronto, east side of Canada, actually represents hard in the JDM scene. Woo! Thanks, dude. These 300 ZXs are cool, like police vinyl. Hello. Do I know you?
Yeah, it's Crow.
Oh.
That's a tight name though, huh? It's Crow. It's Birdy. Hey. Nice to meet you.
Hey, bro. It's not even cool.
Nice to meet you. I got it pretty late last night. Hey.
Teamwork.
Kings must rise.
Kings must drink.
I just rose. Here you go.
Chug. Oh, we should have brought some beers. Oh, derps. The other car for a booth is here. And it looks like he changed the color of his car.
In the morning light, and girl, every time I hear that song that we used to call our own, it all comes back again. I don't understand it.
Can already tell he's a big DBZ fan.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Gonna take your love for granted.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. That's awesome. Yo, who's Red Bulls? Who's? Get to see this thing. Yeah, no kidding, man.
Yeah.
Lack of color this time.
I know it hurts.
But it looks good. Yeah. This is what Gucci was talking about. Damn. Badass. Chrome gold. Sands.
Good morning, Driven competitors. This is a public service announcement that the registration table...
Damn. This is Cali stance, man. No one does this stuff here. Fuck, dog. That's crazy. Rocking all of the decals. That's dope. Yeah, so pretty much this entire lineup is next mod shop. Peter's team, he's brought in all of these nice wide body, everything's like carbon fiber. Dude, this Porsche though, this thing is sick. I think there's only like 2 in all of Canada, and those 2 are in Toronto.
Where did you come from? I never planned to fall in love, but then again, no dice. Can I call you tonight?
Care to repeat what you just said, sir?
I think this is our best setup this time.
Look at this, we got a tent this time. And helpers!
Just a quick question, what's the retail on one of these bad boys right here? You know, Thomas' car smells bad, but you know.
He's gonna put on underwear.
For you?
Oh, it's a mask.
Oh, it's a mask. I thought it was a cup holder.
I like that.
I got that one in the back. You could probably get
sick,
that.
man.
You could probably get that there.
Yeah,
So I
sure.
figured might
With
as
the
well.
gold, right? Dope.
That's the whole theme, right?
JMR, brother. All right, Ryan, man, that's sick, dog.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. This is a sick ride.
And now you're holding on my heart. It's not a problem if it's ours, and ours alone. I call you
Oh, sick. Oh, dude, I'm actually gonna be rocking these same Brembos too. I got them. It's changed definitely since last time we saw it. Yeah, I ended up getting the aim game.
I saw.
Crazy, dude.
Yeah, no, just like home.
Yeah, basically.
Another Red Bull. Heart attack is my goal. Envious. Dude, these guys roll deep. This is why having ILLIMINATE at our booth is awesome. They bring the crowds. Someone came bearing gifts, that is dope. Let's go for a walk. This chrome blue FRS caught my attention because it looks really similar to Shane's. Damn. That's nice.
Got different view, 여유롭게 teasing, yeah. 내 자유로운 소리.
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
Let's go, man.
How's the Beamer going?
Found a supporter.
내밀어 따위는 너 언제나 보이는 건 no 속도로 내야 돼.
He has a street faction wing too. Fuck. This is badass, man.
Reaching for the stars, always on the right road.
Install me banner.
Yeah, banner install.
Should I just press it down?
Finna make it work 어떠라도 고른 삶은 마치 rolling 탁진까지 rolling I put on down give them all give them 100 I got a lot on my mind 아직은 나 힘이
Now I didn't end that vlog all that proper. There was a meet and greet after, which I definitely lost the footage for, but Randy definitely has all that vlog footage uploaded 2 years ago. Hopefully you guys enjoyed anyway. Again, this stuff is old for me, or it may be old for me, but it's still new to you guys, so I'm not gonna let that stop me from editing and uploading these lost vlogs because, you know, at the end of the day, still content. And as a content creator, as long as the camera is filming, you've got yourself a video. It's pretty good. All right, guys, appreciate all for watching. As always, Merry Holidays, and we will see you on the next video. Peace. Okay, we're done here. Well, actually, we can actually film another video that I have another idea for now that it's snowing, because I was just waiting for it to snow, actually.